One thing you have to know before doing this, Jeep Gladiator from year 22 does not have a drain plug, so you have to take the cap off. And just like that, it's drain and refill. You got the fill plug right there, and you gotta take the cap off to drain it, which I already did. So that's it. Fill it out with one of these. Mine takes 75 W40 because it's re-geared. So easy day. Now for the front. See, normally the front one is not that bad. See, front one is a little bit clean. The back one, since it's the one that I was running, that one was a little darker. So the front one is, see, it's still look clear. Because I don't normally use my 4x4 that much. It's decent. Well, you know, we're still gonna change it anyway. And that's it, yeah. Now I'm draining it out, and then after that I'm gonna check it, inspect, wipe it down, and fill the oil back in. So see, looks good. Nice and clean. And just like that, it's all done. And I saved $300. Because if I take it to the dealership to do that work for me, they charge me over $300. So do it by yourself, man. Save you some money.